Minister Mirabai claims BJP will not get majority in assembly polls, accuses party deserters of not having a firm stand. People celebrate Mera Hauchongba with traditional fervour and gaiety. BJP takes out protest march against Speaker's partiality in disqualification cases of MLAs. And Manipur University students on relay hunger strike protesting wrong implementation of Reservation Amendment Act 2012. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangma Monica bringing you the top stories. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister A.K. Mirabai has categorically stated that the BJP will not get majority in the upcoming 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly election scheduled for early next year. She claimed that the BJP will be in chaos at the time of announcement of the party tickets for the assembly polls. Mirabai also accused the Congress members who deserted the party after being in the party for a long time of not having a firm stand. The minister made the statement while speaking as chief guest at the inauguration of Kwakaithel Mayai Koibi Multipurpose Hall. She said the people will not want a BJP government in the state as the party was responsible for the loss of several lives in the June 18 incident.
2017 da pangtokadoriba 13 suba assembly sidai BJP na majority phangni adudi ai tasengna ai numina maningom thokla jo majority di sungoi oiroi je ai ngasi mayam che de isan biyo ba madu made hajaram ge ba BJP na manipur da hatkiba mi 19 du bu kaurong gadra ba prajana BJP sungya yade haibase masimati akoi nungda larik na idna leira ba wafam amane ba ticket he lautor ko matamda BJP het kangkong chai draba karino tawna je nei hajaram ge ba.
Sagolban MLA and MPCC General Secretary R.K. Imo voiced his doubt at the prediction of the India Today Axis opinion poll that the BJP will get majority in the upcoming assembly polls. He expressed a suspicion that there might be centre's hand in the opinion poll. R.K. Imo questioned the basis of the India Today Axis opinion poll. He maintained that such opinion poll was never conducted in the past assembly elections and urged the people not to believe in the opinion poll. The MLA assured the people that the roads in Kwakaithel Mayai Koibi area will be repaired very soon.
Masing yamba miyoi, masing yamba candidate support tawriba didna karakaduribanina sample size so kyam sawbaja no sigi sample tawriba do sinida ina hamningise. Bharat Sarkar na Bharatiya Janata Party na paigre haidana opinion poll si mela faidi oirabra semjal labra haibse akoisu khangning mami yaureba kyam summabno moina tawriba do na karigino do moi sarkar pairabanina sample si moina keno sanarabra haibagi madugumusu koi singnadaba ngamde.
People belonging to different communities today celebrated the age-old festival of Mera Hauchongba with traditional fervour and gaiety at Manipur Palace. The festival was marked by the procession taken out from the palace to the Kangla. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba led the procession, which was participated by people of different communities in their beautiful traditional attires. The rituals Mera Mentongba and Yenkong Tamba performed by Amaiba of Kabui tribe were performed at the Kangla. After the performance of the rituals, the participants returned to the palace. Laisemba Sanajauba expressed a hope that the celebration of the age-old tradition will strengthen the bond among the people living in Manipur since time immemorial.
Lamdamasda lariba kogi tongan ba kanglup purup sing tongan ba lairing laisolda thajajaba sing tongan ba satnabi laiba sing punama si lamdamasda pokpani ekoi lamdamasda chaurokpani aduga lamdamasda sigadoribani khena ba kya lairasu aduga thajanada ba kya lairasu yengthina ba kya lairasu madu punamaktu tungoinaraga ekoi apunbagi amatoibagi adugumba listing duda nuksinabagi listing duda laktana ekoi ireibaksi amtang nuayai phana punna singtam punna nuksi chanana hingmenaba adugumba ekoi numit ama ngasige siguma Mera Hauchongba sina lakpa sida purokpa oiresun.
Kangla Religious Committee Kangla Fort Board also celebrated Mera Hauchongba. The celebration was held in front of Kangla Uttara Sanglain at Kangla. Penna and Tangkhul Nurabi dance were performed at the event and the people of Hills and Valley exchanged gifts. Maram dance, Maibi dance, Tangkhul dance, Khambathoibi dance and tug of war between different communities were the highlights of the Mera Hauchongba celebration. MLA K. Meghachandra Singh and several distinguished persons attended the event. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board also celebrated Mera Hauchongba at Haying Kongbal, Tolong Yumpham in 1st Manipur Rifles ground. For Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Norem Khagendra and Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Mania took part in the event. Exchange of gifts among people and traditional dances were the highlights of the celebration.
Chadra Sadri Hori Shimsida, Hani Wakalo, Quina, Peter Nabagi, having Tanta Tamam Nabagi Kudong Sabado, a good put a low in the home it should be. University of Culture that the Department of Hambi Dowdy, the Department of Hamatunga, the Masana, Madukita Wudaba, Madura Tamadaba Sinta, Shanaga the Wa, Mother David, the Bigger of Sing, Adiki, Tamada Hadra Sing, Loyal Motor of the Makani. I don't know what happened to Hana Packets and it.
Members of BJP Lilong Mandal today took out a protest march against the partiality of Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Lokeshwar in deciding the disqualification cases of MLAs. The protest march was led by leader of BJP Legislature Wing Khumukcham Joykisan. The protesters marched from the Mandal office at Lilong Usoipokpi till Lilong Bazaar. MLA Khumukcham Joykisan alleged that Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar has shown partiality in his ruling in the disqualification cases of the MLAs. He said the party will launch agitation against the Speaker in other constitutions as also.
Citizen khudimangna akoi democratic oiba right phangan ba haibase masi darkar lai haibase akoi ngasi gi leiriba government sida koina appeal tawjari kari manam gi damakta disqualification case khara mana haido ga khara mana haitung pana tham ba haibase masi gi nung gi athak kari no haibado ngasi government asina praja mayam da sangdokpham na takpham thoi akoi gi Indian constitution da mangna singnai hairoi maram leite Congress sasan asigi undemocratic oiba unconstitutional oiba khongjang asigda sogot piduna mayam punamakna Congress matakte ehok jangjen bihaiduna BJP gi maige degi ahakna appeal tawjari.
Students of Manipur University are on a relay hunger strike protesting the wrong implementation of CEI Reservation in Admission Amendment Act 2012 by Manipur University Authority. The relay hunger strike was launched today by JAC against the wrong implementation of CEI Reservation in Admission Amendment Act 2012 MU in front of the university gate. Students belonging to SC OBC minority underwent fast today. The students threatened that they will intensify their agitation and fast unto death if the authority does not resume classes and start the admission process by the 21st of this month. It may be recalled that the Academic Council has sought the advice of the President of India to resolve the reservation issue. The university is yet to receive the President's response.
Academic Council na logo resolution adu haujibok chonadana hada chatra jingi kera mangalakpa adagidi amu akogi tungan tungan agitation kya toguna authority da tabina bohona bdazu authority tabirakta BC masamak yaguna akoini irang tongda lakpiduna akoga hayeng dagi class hawon biwana lemna baji authority na mayam notice okpidaba asigno mayam asidagi akoi ngasi ge chugumna hanga sarsi henjabani.
Electoral Registration Officer STO Patsoi Subdivision Imphal West today held one-day camp on systematic voters education and electoral participation on the theme Service at Your Doorstep. The camp was held at Uningkhong Bazaar Community Hall. SDO Patsoi Daulat Khan said the camp was held to give a special summary on SAVE in connection with Assembly Polls 2017.
Electoral roll voter charnabagi damakta makhoina seda form loina ngasi pi aduga makhoi document required document do hapaga akhoina dum khudak accept tawi mi sing akhoi gi genuine noiba sing do office tagi phangba facility khuding maksu akhoi loina sida mafam sida phanghalli. Apart from that, even biometric enrollment hojik yamna kanna chathari bani electors sing da khoina pil tawjining idi electoral roll da soyanga myori sing isa isa gi chumthok piu amadi anova voters sing young voters sing makhoi su participate tawna bagi damakta
The 23rd Festival of Nat Sankirtana, organized by Gulapi Nata Sankirtana, Kwakaithel Nganapithong Mapal, concluded today at Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Speaking at the occasion, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Mania emphasized the need to preserve the art and culture of the state. He said it can either be recorded or written. Dr. Mania also mentioned that Nat Sankirtan has entered UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity in 2013. Chairman of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Professor Huirem Bihari, and Director of JN Manipur Dance Academy, L. Upendra, were among those present at the event.
Hajaraba Bhakti da, Bhakti ki tungin lakba, sai tabi ki udah sachi kasida, ବ୍ୟବହାର haune lonsata, puna masing se koi. Nga masatu si yam tarmi, koi laiba samajasi sum hong sum lakani. अदु होगरो मयाम जदि पुवारी दे लेहौरदो बनि ना को चुथो सुंग गमद्रो पोनि अदु लाखतो बिसे द कोइना खरा सुमना थमोरो होना बतारगदि मसी इरग थमो बन त उपाय सोइ लेति मनदि हौजि हौजि मसी द सनरि रसी ओथो के फिरो मदा कोइ कुमै होइना लाखपगि कोंजा अमखन उजबो खन
Damodar Mandap at Singjamei Chingamakha Liwa Lambe, which has remained neglected and unused for a long time, has been repaired and handed over to the people. Singjamei Chingamakha Liwa Lambe Ningthauzam Laikai Semjin Sajanbag Group repaired the mandap with the help of Singjamei MLA and Revenue Minister I. Hemochandra. As observed across the globe, Manipur also observed World Food Day, remembering the day United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization was founded. The event was organized by Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India, Manipur chapter, on the theme Climate is Changing, Food and Agriculture Must Do at WestKids Center, Thaudababok, Leirak, Didim Road. Members of the association and dean and students of Central Agricultural College attended the function. Resource person spoke on Manipur Vision document on maximum production of food, establishment of food technology center and food processing industries in Manipur.
Amoksadagi pirakwa Manipur phangliba sijak khade kyo magde amakte naspati gamde asaga waiting lensi mai ton no ma koi gyada phangya pichide phangba house he no haule kusong thyo mayam dei Bang na lon ining bagi jangyam nawali infrastructure laite lambi thong phatte simba mayam ko ko mayam le technology mayam wali mayam wali training mayam bi bo.
One-day political conference was held today at the residence of Potsangbam Dhanabir, an aspiring candidate of BJP at Haubamarak Ngangom Laikai. Several BJP leaders and people of Kaisamthong constituency attended the conference.
Sports University lakadore adudi sangam da lupa lising yankai da humbu da hundra da lesal lasi ena angam matho mayam mantri mandol mayam sidagi moi mayam lesal ure ekar chamri nifu su dokre ba swam da India government de chani khagde pi wa hai ada koi de sendong phang da ya ro ena chamri nifu ji acquire tausan bane ba acquire tausan la pi ro mandi kai no ekar da lupa lak taru ngasal lising yankai da humbu da hundra da le lak mari mari du yol ni sakar da aduna si matang da ina haijening budi kai no da sports university se lingbam sung thok thok te kautuk ki mai ki sidam lingada ni sidam lingmada lam akoi agricultural den su mang da ba.
One-day political conference of BJP was also organized at the residence of A.R. Khan at Khetri Bengun in Khetrigao. People attending the conference resolved to support A.R. Khan in the upcoming Manipur Assembly election. BJP workers led by BJP State Executive Member Y. Khemchand today kicked off a poster campaign in Singjamei constituency. It may be mentioned that the party has launched poster campaign in several constituencies following the advice of the BJP President Amit Shah during his visit to Imphal to launch poster campaign ahead of the assembly polls scheduled for early next year. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda sumlairaga khanbanadi kanaroi engunda loina thengna khrabani. Wakhal do wagano. Lao. Aikoi kudumno pazaminarase. ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯐꯪꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯁ
Impact News Super Prime Time. Non-stop live broadcast from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily. 6 p.m. Sunday Agenda Manipur. 6 p.m. Monday to Friday Manung Hutna. Weekend special on Saturday Manung Hutna. Watch all the top stories and latest news at 7 p.m. Primetime English News and 8 p.m. Primetime Manipuri News. Don't miss the non-stop live action from the studios of Impact TV. Super Prime Time begins on 17th October.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar the flight Tongluna Koiruna Bagi, Achauba Kudong Chaba Ama KB Enterprises Napizari, November Gitangkun the Chat Kragatangun Tarukta Halakadabani, Sopnatagi airfare listing Taramanga Kachamangada, Myanmar the Chatpiu, Package Ki Kudong Chaba Sufangdigani, Akupamarol Gidama, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Infalda, contact of you, Aikogi mobile number D 98620
Manipur Poll 2017 countdown begins now at Impact News. Meet the aspiring candidates, their challenges, the issues, the complete picture. Monday to Thursday at 1 p.m. only on Impact News. Starting from 17 October 2016. Aspiring candidates supported by Northeast Dialogue Forum.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A team of GAC of Imphal Mori transporters led by President H. Haridas met representatives of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce at Mori yesterday. The meeting was held at the office of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce, Mori. The team cleared misunderstandings during the meeting and requested the representatives not to give any hindrance to the drivers servicing on the Mori route.
Indo-Myanmar Chamber of Commerce ki office ta akoi GC ki transporter Kambuga Indo-Myanmar Friendship Commerce Trade Commerce Kambuga koi phaminaduna hana moina bhab tanadaba koi machine misunderstanding leina mayam do koi pau phadongnaraga sengdongnare makha tabadasu amaga koi cooperation pinaraga apamama thabakta bukhanaba haina koi yanna.
One-day health camp was held for traffic police personnel at Traffic Control Police Office at MG Avenue. The camp was organized by Traffic Control Police Imphal West in collaboration with Directorate of Medical Health Services Manipur, Manipur Chemists and Druggists Association and HDFC Bank Limited. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. The 5th BI Award 2016 will be presented on the 21st Foundation Day of International Handicap Welfare Mission on the 19th of this month. The award will be given to Thokchom Sangita of Singjamai Chingamakong Chongtham Lekai, Ningthozam Lakhi Kanta of Kwakta Santhong Makha Lekai, Ningthozam Nanau of Top Awang Lekai, and Arki Asharani of Singjamai Chingamathak Yumnam Lekai. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Association AMESCO, All Manipur Art and Culture Students Union, All Manipur Natkan Balub and Manipur State Sumang Lila Council will jointly celebrate Ningol Chakobo on November 1. They have invited all the Ningols of the state to take part in the celebration. Petrol has become costlier by 1 rupee 34 paise per litre and diesel by 2 rupees 37 paise. The new rates come into effect midnight last night. Petrol now costs 64 rupees 57 paise and diesel 53 rupees 91 paise in Imphal. Indian Oil Corporation said the prices were high, keeping in mind the current level of international prices and rupee-dollar exchange rate. A shopping hub to promote products made in Manipur, branding Make in Manipur products, were opened today at Yai School, Moirangkong. The shopping hub called Manipur Time Shopping will offer all kinds of products produced by entrepreneurs in Manipur, including sculptures, clothes and food items. MGT Motors PVT Private Limited today organized customer meet and loan mela at Thoubal Mela Ground. Cultural program, display of cars, discussion between bank and financer were also held at the meet. A passenger's vehicle called Tata Magic Mantra was also launched at the event. Now news from the world of sports. Neroka FC Sangakpam defeated their rival in a league match of the 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground. In the 34th league match, Neroka FC Sangakpam player from Nigeria, Emmanuel, scored a goal in the 87th minute of the match to beat Southern Sporting Union Singjamai 1-0. Many people from the audience complained of Neroka FC Sangakpam not maintaining fair play. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association under the funding of K.H. Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust. In the 35th league match tomorrow, Nisa Thangmaiban will lock horns with FC Zelen Cedar Hills. The 16th Mr. Senior, Junior and Master Imphal East District Bodybuilding Contest is in progress. Imphal East Bodybuilding and Fitness Association is organizing the contest under the aegis of All Manipur Bodybuilding Association at Puthiba Community Hall, Kurai, Puthiba Lekai. 4 bodybuilders are competing for the senior men's title, 15 for the junior boys title and 6 for the master's title. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Minister Mirabai claims BJP will not get majority in assembly polls, accuses party deserters of not having a firm stand. People celebrate Mera Hauchongba with traditional fervor and gaiety. BJP takes out protest march against Speaker's partiality in disqualification cases of MLAs. And Manipur University students on relay hunger strike protesting wrong implementation of Reservation Amendment Act 2012.